Hold on. That's not right.
Work out the hiccups. It's okay.
You will be out.
I think it stopped.
What the?
Oh no.
One needs help.
Never fear. Octoblock Jr. is here. Octoblock. Boo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boo. Jenner. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. But I'm feeling a little bit weird.
What?
Hick.
Hang on. Hick.
Hick.
This isn't right. Hick.
Hick.
We got the hiccups.
Hick. You got the hiccups. But I know how to cure you. Turn upside down.
Okay. Huh, what can I say except it worked?
Oh man, didn't it work?
Okay, what about drinking this glass of water while you're upside down?
Okay. Okay, I think that didn't work too.
We need help. Have no fear. Octoblock is here. So, what is the problem, Tanner?
Well, look at Tanner. He's got hiccups.
Don't worry, I know what to do. Octoblock jump scare slash boo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
In 56, I'm Jam. A step squat. My dev step squats. Get it?
That's not
What
funny.
did you
You're
say?
about to get
Which?
rich too. What? Uch.
What? Each?
Então.
Oh, I think they're gone. Oh no.
Look again.
Yes. 171 Here, drink the water. Okay. Okay, I will see you later. Hip hip hurrah hurrah.